Attention! This video is made for scientific and educational purposes. The video does not violate YouTube's rules. Link to the document with links to the original video and quotes in the description. Hi, welcome to the news of the world of weapons. Today we will tell you about an unmanned aerial vehicle that can independently perform combat missions. Skyborg. If you like the video, please like it and share it on social networks. We remind you that this video is of a scientific and educational nature and does not violate the rules of YouTube. Link to the document with links to all video sources and quotes in the description. The U.S. Air Force is finally pushing into the world of robot combat drones, vowing to fly the first of its Skyborg drones by 2023. The service envisions Skyborg as a merging of artificial intelligence with jet-powered drones. The result will be drones capable of flying alongside fighter jets, carrying out dangerous missions. Skyborg drones will be much cheaper than piloted aircraft, allowing the Air Force to grow its fleet at a lower cost. The Air Force, according to Defense News, will award a total of $400 million to one or more companies to develop different types of Skyborg drones. The drones will be attritable, meaning they will be designed to fly multiple flights, but the Air Force won't sweat it if it loses one. The drones are expected to fly in 2023. Skyborg was originally conceived as flying artificial intelligence. Skyborg was meant to operate either as part of a piloted fighter, providing an R2-D2 type assistant to a human pilot, or as an AI flying an autonomous drone on its own. Under its current iteration, the Skyborg AI will fly a high-performance, fighter-like drone. Skyborg drones are now envisioned as combat aerial vehicles capable of carrying out dangerous missions, such as hunting down or jamming enemy air defense networks, carrying out reconnaissance missions behind enemy lines, or striking targets in heavily defended airspace. A Skyborg drone could also carry air-to-air missiles for stealthy warbirds like the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, fighters constrained in the number of missiles they can carry in stealth mode. Air Force magazine reports the service wants its Skyborg drones to autonomously avoid other aircraft, terrain, obstacles, and hazardous weather, and take off and land on its own. That opens up a whole raft of other, less dangerous missions, including refueling other planes, acting as a flying communications node, collecting intelligence on enemy forces, and even search and rescue. Designed to handle high-intensity conflict, Skyborg should be able of taking on other, more mundane tasks with ease. 4 companies are likely participants in the Skyborg program. Kratos Defense is already working with the Air Force in the XQ-58A Valkyrie drone, while Boeing Australia's Loyal Wingman drone is another candidate. Defense News also reports General Atomics and Lockheed Martin are also likely participants, though exactly what drones they would offer up is not clear. Revolutionary is a word tossed around too much these days, but the Skyborg concept, fully realized, could spark a revolution. The U.S. Air Force is steadily growing smaller, buying fewer and fewer highly expensive warplanes that cost more and more to operate. It also faces a dwindling number of platform choices. The only fighter jets the service is buying are the F-35A Joint Strike Fighter and F-15EX Advanced Eagle, both of which are in the $90 million plus range. A Skyborg fighter, built to last a limited number of missions and lacking a pilot, will cost considerably less than the current alternatives, allowing the service to grow its fleet of deployable aircraft without spending more money. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to not miss new videos from the world of weapons. See you in the new video.